Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Lost in Iowa again, and we are going to be doing a small shop haul for ArtDot and a Donna Bass pin that I picked up in one of her Thursday drops. Let me go ahead and get my little ceramic cutter. I got the ArtDot because I wanted to try out other brands that were at a lower price point. I had never done anything by ArtDot before. Let's see if I can get this here. So I figured I would give them a try. Yeah, they really put multiple levels of tape on this. So I guess that's good. It's not, definitely wasn't going to be coming out and shipping. Hard for me to get out though. Okay, so as I was saying, I've never bought anything from ArtDot before, but I wanted to give this a try. And they don't have much in the way of darker arts or anything that really appealed super well to me, but I picked up this one, and I'll try to get a picture up there so you can see her better. Let's see. It does not even say, okay, there it is. The painting is by Louise Golby, and it's called The Seer, Square Diamonds, and it is 18.7 by 27.6, so smaller than what I usually work on, but that is okay. Yeah, she's got a crow, which is cool. I like crows, or raven maybe. This canvas is currently on sale for $16.20 US dollars. And then, let's see, this one. Oh, yep, so just got some release paper to try if I haven't tried anybody else's release paper except for I have some crafts with Crashly release papers. So I figured I'd give theirs a try. And this one had me intrigued as well. This is supposed to be like their mini kits, I think, is what I thought it was. But this is a much bigger, let me move this out of the way, much bigger box than I was expecting for that. So I may have been mistaken on the size of these. All right, ArtDot Diamond Painting Kits, 12 packs. Yeah, of course it had cats in it, so, you know, cats and nature, deer and stuff. I am really curious, and I wasn't gonna open, but I think I'm gonna open this real quick because I am curious as to what size these canvases are. More tape there. Oh, okay. Toolkits. I'm assuming this is each package is for a different diamond painting. Some different trays. All right. Guess there's no easy way to do this. Okay, so there's all the sticker sheets are on one. Okay. So the canvases are more like a snack size. So they're 14 by 10. Okay. Well, that is cool. All right. Go ahead and pack these back up. The artist for these particular kits is also Louise Golby. The retail price on this set was $45.99 US dollars, and it is currently on sale for $25.99, so that ends up being just over $2 per canvas, which is honestly not a bad deal. You have 2 separate sets. There's also a pure nature one. All right. Well, I think that's going to work out well because it's not a mini kit, but it's not a massive kit either. So that would, doing some of these would probably give me a pretty good feel on how their larger canvases are going to be. And shoot, I didn't even look. Are these squares? No, this one is in rounds. I don't usually do round canvases. I do have quite a few that are round though, so that's fine. So that is what I got from ArtDot. Oop, getting stuck in my own cords. Over here. And then this box is a pen I picked up from Donna Bass. If you haven't checked out any of her stuff before, I would highly recommend. She can have you make a custom pen, or you can snag pens in her Thursday pen drops and drawings. Let's see, is that open? One more side. Okay. Oh, trying to keep my address there. What is this? Oh, that's cute. So we've got a yelling frog, a little mushroom terrarium, a kitty in a car, some moisturizing, can't tell if you can see that, moisturizing lip balm, and some tips for the pen. And my order sheet's still in there, so we'll move that over here. All right, and now the pen itself. All right. Oh, look at that. Let's see if I can figure out which end we do this from. Isn't that pretty? The video is not doing it justice. It has like some marbling in it. Let's see if I can get it. Maybe on a different side. It has marbling in it. So it kind of reminded me of the purple marble I have on my intro video. So when I saw that pop up on our page, I was like, that is mine. That is my pen. So I'll try to get some picture of it so I can maybe show it to you better. And I really like it. She does a lot of chunky pens, but she also does thin pens, and I prefer the thin pens. So this is actually a pretty thin pen, and it's not as long as some of the other ones I've had. So that is like a perfect, almost perfect size for me. So I like it. That's great. All right, everyone. I think that concludes this small shop haul. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.